Deep beneath the azure waves, in a world untouched by time, lived a peculiar fish, unique and bright, named Boxfish. Boxfish had a special home, a box of coral, fine. Birthed by the sea, it was his home, a symbol divine. One day, a storm arrived, its wrath fierce and strong. Boxfish hid in fear, his heart beating fast and long. The waves crashed down, the wind howled loud. Yet, Boxfish's home, it stood its ground. When the storm had passed, and skies were clear, Boxfish emerged, his heart filled with fear. He looked at his home, unscathed and still. A sense of relief washed over him, like a gentle hill. I am safe, he thought, that much is clear. For my home, though small, protected me from danger here. It may be odd, it may be small, but it's my own. A sanctuary built by the sea, a home I call my own. Word spread among the sea creatures far and wide of Boxfish and his humble abode, a source of pride. I'll build a castle, said a braggart octopus. I'll construct a palace, the grandest ever we've seen. Days turned into weeks, weeks into a year. Octopus worked tirelessly, but found no cheer. His castle was grand, but grand did not mean strong. For it was built of sand, and storms did it wrong. One stormy night, the castle fell apart. Octopus lost his home, his heart filled with despair. What good is grandeur, he cried, if it cannot withstand the storms of life, the trials we all must face, hand in hand? He looked at Boxfish, small but safe and sound, and realized in that moment his wisdom profound. My home, though small, gave me the strength to stand. Not its size, but its simplicity, is what matters in this land. And so, the lesson learned, Octopus and Boxfish became the best of friends, a bond that would never fix. In the depth of the sea, they lived their days, remembering the tale of the Boxfish and the ways. Moral: we should not seek grandeur or greatness, but rather find peace in the simplicity of our days. For it's not size that matters, but the love and strength that our humble homes and hearts can bring to any length.